How to generate traffic through press releases. Any wise webmaster will learn how to generate traffic using press releases. The reason is press releases are among the best way to increase your website traffic. Regardless if they never gain the interest of reporters, they can still be beneficial to your site. Regrettably, most webmasters never use them. They feel nothing is newsworthy about their site, or they don't know how to write a press release. Press releases are easy to write. You can think of something newsworthy if you try and write a terrific press release with these tips. Headlines are vital. They're what make or break a press release. If the headline doesn't attract attention, no one will read further, no matter how wonderful the remainder of your press release is. If you have no ideas, make a trip down to your local library or newsstand and take a look at the headlines. Make certain the opening paragraph is interesting by referring to important events without mentioning the product. Keep the body short and simple with a brief description of your product. It's an advantage if you can include quotes or testimonials from satisfied customers who bought your product or used your service. Conclude the press release by summarizing benefits again and what services your website offers. Remember, you don't want to come across as an advertisement. Though the concept is to promote your website, the copy should read like it was written by an unbiased third party. Put yourself in the place of a reporter who gives the who, what, when, and why behind the business. Avoid product hype and just give facts. Next, you'll need a press release service. Many of them are free over the internet, like prweb.com. It's about the same as submitting an article to an article directory. Now you know how to generate traffic through press releases.